Superstar Salman Khan and Beena Kak's friendship dates back to the days when the two were shooting for Got to See Great Ho and Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya, and the budding friendship has blossomed over the years. In fact, Beena and her family have often been celebrating at the Khan's Panvel farmhouse, and now it seems that the sets of Tube Light had witnessed a one-of-its-kind cricket match where the Sultan was seen wielding the bat with Beena's little grandson Kabir. The picture speaks volume about Sallu Bhai's love for kids and is sure to melt your heart. Proud grandma Beena also posted a couple of pictures of the two enjoying the game and having a blast. Take a look at the adorable pictures and share your feedbacks in the comment section. Recently, we had broken the news that Salman Khan would soon be seen in Judwaa 2 and would also be playing a double role. And now the sequel of the 1997 hit film will have the beautiful Karishma Kapoor on board for a short role. It's been long since we have seen the chemistry between Salman and Karishma, and now it will be a delight for all Judwaa fans to see how the two fare on celluloid. The first schedule of the shoot has already begun and the film will be shot at exotic locations including London. Filmmaker David Dhawan has a lot of promise from the film, and we too are excited to see how the film will fare at the box office. Stay tuned for more updates on this hot story and keep coming back for your daily dose of entertainment news. Don't forget to share your views in the comment section.
With just a day more of shooting left for Kabir Khan's Tube Light, the filmmaker looks back and reveals that Salman Khan's performance in Tube Light is 5 times better than the 2015 film Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The filmmaker had made a statement to the media during the screening of Lion, where he stated Salman will be seen in a completely different way in the film Tube Light. If people have thought that Salman's performance is special in Bajrangi Bhaijaan, then his performance in Tube Light is 5 times better than it. The audience will see Salman's better performance in Tube Light. This statement has indeed upped the expectations of fans who had given rave reviews to the Sultan's performance and are eager to see him in a never-before avatar in Tube Light. Well, the wait will be over on 26 July when the film hits the screens. Meanwhile, let us know if you feel that Tube Light has all the elements needed to make it a success. SRK will be collaborating with Anand L. Rai for his upcoming venture, where the superstar will be essaying a role of a dwarf for the first time in his career. Ever since the news has been revealed, speculations were rife that the Badshah's look would be much akin to that of Kamal Haasan in Appu Raja. But SRK has denied this and revealed, "My look is very different from Kamal Haasan in Appu Raja. We have done the test, we are through with the trailers, we will be releasing it properly. It's important that the audience accepts our effort. I think we will begin work in a day or two." The shooting is likely to commence from 21st March and may tentatively be titled Bandhua. Now, isn't that exciting? Well, do share your comments on SRK playing dwarf and stay tuned as we bring more updates on this hot story.
Salman Khan is the godfather of the industry as he has shaped the careers of many newcomers. And now it seems that brother Arbaz is at the receiving end of his grace. Recently, Arbaz expressed a desire to return to acting and revive his career. Hearing this, Salman Khan turned godfather and left no stone unturned in helping his brother. Apparently, Arbaz's last venture at acting was a dude and he was tagged as a flop actor. This pushed him towards production, where he has had a successful stint. But this time on, Salman is ensuring that his brother hits luck, and he has spoken to a couple of directors for the same. Salman is closely hunting for the perfect script which will make his brother succeed. With Godfather Salman around, chances of success are quite high. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
Bollywood divas and pregnancy and babies are tangoing so well that Kareena is again the latest example of how you can maintain weight in spite of delivering a baby. Kareena Kapoor, the gorgeous mum of the just-born Taimur Ali Khan, has hit the gym and is already showing off her weight loss. Yes, if you thought that Kareena was the most yummy mummy, then there is more to the yummy figure because now Kareena has started working out and we know how good she is at it. Kareena, like the other mums of Bollywood, really has shown that it doesn't take much to be a mother, and that too by choice, and now it doesn't take much to get back to figure. Truly an inspiration for all who ever thought that weight loss and weight gain is not in our hands. Kareena is proving everyone wrong. An absolute health freak, Kareena sure knows how to call the shots before delivery, after delivery, and during delivery. Didn't we see a pregnant Kareena parting away through the pregnancy, and she is now working all the way through her weight loss? What is your opinion about Kareena's weight loss and fitness quotient?
Well, here is a trailer of the much-awaited flick Filori. So why did it grab so much attention? For one, it has Diljit Dosanjh. Yeah, the same one who occupied the best frame in Udta Punjab. The same one who looked dashing and heroic even in front of Kareena Kapoor, the experienced one in the frame. Then it is Anushka's film and it also stars herself and Suraj Sharma. Enough matter for people to get engaged. After NH10, this is another film Anushka is looking forward to, as it has her paired with Diljit, who has already become a household name now with his stint in Bollywood. The trailer takes you down a trip of what the flick is about and gives you a fair idea of what it could produce on the big screen. Full of action and passionate dialogues, the film sure seems to be an entertainer and is as glossy as the title of the film and its first look. The trailer takes you down a trip of what the flick is about and gives you a fair idea of what it could produce on the big screen. We give it a thumbs up for a watch. What say?
Raees, the Shah Rukh Khan starrer, has been banned in Pakistan apparently, at least reports now claim so. Mahira Khan, who was extremely happy and thrilled about the release of Raees in Pakistan, had also shared the excitement with the media. But looks like her happiness would not last long, for Mahira's expectation that the Shah Rukh starrer would do great in her country has been bummed by the fact that there has been a ban on the film temporarily. Looks like Shah Rukh would not be able to woo his fans out there across the border. However, we are just keeping fingers crossed and hoping that the film gets released soon. Raees, which has crossed boundaries and is also the fourth Shah Rukh grosser, has really gone down well with the Indian audience. The Shah Rukh starrer really did great business thanks to Shah Rukh's Dawn Avatar. The movie had Mahira Khan in tow along with Shah Rukh and also the versatile Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Fans across the world have appreciated Shah Rukh's efforts and we are only now waiting for the movie to be released in Pakistan. However, we may have to wait for it has been stalled for the time being. What is your opinion on Shah Rukh's Raees performance and also the fact that it is stalled across the border? Do let us know with your comments. Kabir Khan's upcoming venture Tube Light will soon set the screens on fire on 26 July 2017, and it showcases the love story between an Indian soldier and a Chinese against the backdrop of the Indo-Chinese War of 1962. The film boasts of an ensemble cast including Salman Khan, Chinese star Zuzu, Shatrughan Sinha and the late Om Puri. The cast is not complete without mention of King Khan Shah Rukh, who plays a cameo in the film. While there is a lot of speculation about his role in this war saga, the makers reveal, "I'm not going to divulge much details about the role." Let the film come out. It is a cameo which was screaming for a superstar, so we went to Shah Rukh and asked to do the special role. He gracefully agreed to it. Interesting, isn't it? Let us know what you think of SRK and his role in Tube Light by commenting in the section below.